Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Nubia Redmagic 6R. Begin with opening Play Store on both smartphones. Then tap on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android smartphone and tap on Receive on Nubia over here. Finally, click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories, and when you're ready, click Send next to Selected. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only one photo, maybe this one. Choose Send and click on Got It. Now on Nubia, tap on the best option for you, Yes I agree or No thanks, and click on Close this window. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by clicking on this scanning icon on Nubia, then selecting while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the QR code. But we can always just go back, input this key over here instead, and connect using Receive button. And now, as you can see, after a while, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!